Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I am trying out the Colourpop No Filter foundation. This foundation is $12. 170 dark, and this one is 175 dark. Is that right? I guess so, but they look similar. These foundations are supposed to be oil-free, full coverage with soft blurring pigments. So it says you get 0.85 fluid ounces of product. Most of my foundations I get 1 ounce, so this is a little bit less. Glass bottles, they have a pump, very cute and little. There's no filter setting powder. So this is supposed to be a loose powder that is smooth and weightless and won't give you flashback. No filter sheer press powder. This is what I'm going to use to contour. Oh, I guess you gotta, okay, unlock it. And that's 170, 175. The 170 is the cooler one. So this one is warm, this one is cool. This is 175. No, this is 170 and this is 175. 170 is nice, but then I kind of want to go with 175. I also took a little bit of concealer to help my brows blend better with the foundation. 175, and I'm going to do 2 pumps. 1, 2. It doesn't have a smell. And I already had concealer on my eyelids. So this is it on one side, and I really like that. I love how it feels. I love how it smells. It's a little bit more runny, and I actually like runny foundations. I put things on that are really thick. It tends to flake up. Do 2 more pumps. I like what I see so far. I always do my foundation with a brush. If I need to, I'll use a beauty blender, but I really don't need to. I'm just doing it now because I just said that. I really like this. This is really, really nice. Now I'm going to use this powder to bronze up my face, and this is the darkest one. Okay, the powder was nice. Now let's highlight. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in number 38. Now we're going to go in with this banana powder. So excited to use. Just tap some out. Alright, I'm not going to bake right now. I'm going to wipe this away. And this is just really going to set this concealer in place. And now I'm going to bake. I'm going to contour with that powder my nose just a little bit. And now we can wipe all that powder away. Now I'm going to spray more of this Milani Make It Last. So I finished off with some mascara, a little bit of highlighter. Let's talk about this stuff. So this first, the powder, the pressed powder, I really like this powder. It's the deepest one, and I just use it to contour. I like that they included a mirror in the little compact. There's not too much to say about this. It's just a pressed powder. I wouldn't be using it to touch up because I have really dry skin and I don't get oily, and if I do get oily, it's not really oily, it's more like dewy, and I kind of like that look, so I don't really do that. This is the powder I usually use. This is the Black Radiance contour palette, and as you can see, it's a little bit red base, whereas this one is more so neutral. The foundation, I'm really surprised with the foundation. I thought that picking a shade was gonna be hard, which it kind of was hard, but I think I did a really good job picking 175. And actually I had picked 170 and ordered everything, and like 2 or 3 hours later I was like, you know what, I think I might need to go a little bit deeper. It's very hard picking a shade online, I'm not even gonna lie. Try to do as much research as possible. Look at videos of people who have similar skin tone as you, because it is very hard. $12, a foundation with a pump. It's in a glass bottle. It says to be a natural matte. I think it's just natural. I wouldn't really say matte. To me, it just looks beautiful. Like, I will wear this as an everyday foundation and it feels good. It's breathable, it looks good. The banana powder, I love this banana powder. This is my first one. This was $9 as well, I believe. They also have a translucent one, and I think translucent, and there's another one I feel like, but I'm not sure what it is. But I'm glad I got this one because I've never had a banana powder and I was really excited to try one. And it definitely does what it says, lightens up, brightens up under the eye. It's not cakey or dry, and I'm really happy with this. So I'll leave some of my foundation shades in the description box in case you are interested in knowing where I fall on different foundations. But yeah, $12 for this, $9 for both powders. Very light. I'm not dry or cakey. The foundation didn't oxidize. I did 2 pumps on both sides and my skin still looks really nice, really healthy, really fresh, and it doesn't feel weighed down. It's not super matte like cake base. I love it. I mean, a little bit of a struggle picking the shades, but besides that, this is a go for me. That's it for my Colourpop no filter foundation, powder, and concealer video. Let me know what you think about this, any of these products. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, ask me in the comment section down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.